Whether pitching a tent or staying the night in one of our modern cabins, Florida State Parks offer a wide variety of camping and cabin options. Today, we'll be showing you how to reserve a campsite or cabin at our reservation website, reserve.floridastateparks.org. Let's get started. Before you can book your campsite, you'll need to create an account. Click on Create Account in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your name, address, and other information in order to create your personal account, as well as choose an appropriate password. Once you're finished, click Create Account to finish the process. Now that you're all set up, you can sign in. Click Login at the upper right corner of the page, enter the email and password for the account you've created, and click Sign In. Once you've signed in, you can begin your reservation. Enter the name of the state park where you'd like to go camping and pick the autofill version of the name once it appears. You can also search by city name to find nearby parks. For this example, we'll choose Lake Louisa State Park. Next, choose the date you would like to arrive and the number of nights you wish to stay. We'll choose Tuesday, August 10th for 2 nights. When you're ready, click Search to pull up the parks that fit your criteria. On the next page, you can see both the parks you've selected as well as other state parks that are in the area. Clicking on More Info will take you to the park's webpage where you can learn all about the fun activities and amazing resources the park has to offer. To the right, the various campground loops or cabins available at the park are listed. If there are openings that fit your time frame, a green Reserve button will appear in the status section. For this example, we'll choose Loop A for RV and tent camping by clicking the associated Reserve button. Once you've chosen an area, you can see which sites are available for your length of stay. On the left, the green boxes indicate campsites that are open for each date shown, while red boxes show dates the campsites have been taken. To the right, a map of the campground displays the location of each site in relation to amenities such as restrooms or picnic facilities. Looking at the calendar, site number 7 is available for our selected dates. By clicking the green box for your arrival date, the rest of the dates for your stay are selected automatically if available. Once you make a selection, you can read through the specifics for that campsite, including check-in time, prices, and site-specific amenities like water and electric. If everything meets your needs, click Reserve Unit to claim your site. On the Reservation Details page, check over the specifics of your booking one more time to make sure the dates and campsite information are all correct. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, fill in the remaining sections. Once you're finished, please review our terms and conditions and select Reserve Unit. From there, all that's left is to enter your payment information and complete your reservation. You should receive a confirmation email with your reservation information soon. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our call center at 1-800-326-3521 to receive assistance. We hope you enjoy spending the night in a Florida State Park.